welcome to today's Theme Park Adventures, where today we are at Adventure Island, my home park, and today is a very special day for Adventure Island, the 26th of October 2024, because they have brought back an old special ride, which was previously Dragon's Claw, which shut in 2021 at the end of the season. It also opened in 2001, so after 20 years it shut and went in for more manufacturing. It's come back now as Devil's Dance with a full refurbishment. So yeah, this was also made by Tivoli, a UK manufacturer. We've got to bring that into mind. There's not many UK manufacturers, so yeah, it's very cool to see a UK manufacturer. Also for Race Screecher, which is right next to this ride. So yeah, let's jump on. Yay, it's moving once again, but we're now on it. Wow. And we started spinning. And then we're just going to start flipping upside down soon. So yeah, nothing to worry about. There's nothing to worry about. There we go. And then we're back to normal. We're back to square one. And then we're back to square 50. And then we're now back to square one. We'll just start. And then it literally just copy and paste here. But yeah, very excited about this. Let's do it one more time. We need to see it. We need to see it one more time. Yeah, one more time, please. Come on, this just doing like their normal thing now. Oh, we're going down. Man down. And then we have just like the slow bumper chain down. So we have just come off of Devil's Dance, and as you can see, the queue's empty. And I'll get onto that in a bit, but about the ride experience, when you compare it to things like Screecher or Axis, these tops their intensity level by a lot. The way it is like a little claw that just spins you upside down like that. I don't know why I use my hand to do that, but yeah, anyway. But yeah, this is a brand new ride, a reimagined ride, and I think it's ridiculously good for what it is. They did have a bit of a delay, well, a bit of a delay I say, on when they opened this ride, because it did get delayed by about 2 years. But anyway, Adventure Island have opened this today, made a very good ride experience out of that, and for me, that's a pretty good standard. So yeah, well done Adventure Island. And now why the queue's empty is because yeah, sadly there was a technical issue, and we did get stuck for about 5 minutes. But other than that, amazing ride. So yeah, well done Adventure Island for opening a new reimagined ride for 2024. Good job on getting this opened. It's Devil's Dance here at Adventure Island, new for 2024. Come ride it if you even dare to ride it, because it's ridiculous. But yeah, very good ride, Adventure Island. Thank you for watching today's Theme Park Adventures, and we'll see you in the next video.